Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 6C from chapter Solving Problems Based on Quadratic Equations. So coming to question number 8. A man bought an article for rupees X and sold it for rupees 16. If his loss was X%, find the cost price of the article. Now in this exercise, we'll be solving the questions based on cost price, selling price, loss, profit. So your formulae should be thorough. Okay, you have studied this in lower class. Okay, पहले पढ़ा हुआ है. So पता होना चाहिए कि कब loss है, कब profit है, what is the formula of loss percent, profit percent. You should be thorough with that. Okay, तो अगर नहीं पता है, then make sure that you know all the formulae, revise all the formulae, and then start with these sums. These are very easy sums. ठीक है. So let us now go through the formulae first. Okay, so cost price. What is cost price? It is basically the buying price and SP, that is selling price. Okay, so let's say I bought an apple for rupees 25. Okay, and I'm selling it for rupees 50. So 25 is the cost price and 50 is the selling price. ठीक है. Now loss and profit. When do you make loss? When you make profit? When the cost price is more than selling price, then it is loss. Cost price, selling price से ज़्यादा होगा. Let's say I bought an apple for rupees 25 and I'm selling it for rupees 20. मैं 25 में ख़रीद के 20 में बेच रही हूँ, तो मुझे तो 5 रुपीज़ का लॉस हो गया. मुझे अपने पॉकेट से 5 रुपीज़ का देना पड़ा 5 रुपया. सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ लॉस. ओके, so cost price is more than selling price, then it is loss. And in this case, first case, it is profit, so selling price is more than cost price. Now loss percent and profit percent. Okay, that is very very important in this case. You must be knowing what is loss, what is profit. Loss percent and profit percent, these are the conditions. Okay, ये conditions लगेंगे in these sums. So loss percent इज़ बेसिकली किसका परसेंटेज फाइंड कर रहे हैं? लॉस का फाइंड कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो लॉस अपॉन व्हाट? डिनोमिनेटर में यू ऑलवेज कंसिडर द ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटी. ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटी क्या है? किस पे हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं? मैंने एप्पल कितने में ख़रीदा? आई बॉट इट फॉर रुपीज़ 25. सो 25 इज़ द ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटी. ओके, ओरिजिनल प्राइस. So loss upon cost price. So whatever percentage you calculate in profit and loss, you always calculate on cost price. ठीक है, cost price के ऊपर कितना loss हुआ. So loss upon cost price into 100 percentage है. Okay, profit percent, same thing, same logic. Profit made on cost price. cost price पे कितना profit बनाया into 100. Okay, so these are the main formulae. These will help you in getting the equation. Okay, so make sure that you know these two formulae. Alright, now we'll proceed to the sum. Moving on to the sum. Now a man has bought an article for rupees X and sold it for rupees 16. So cost price is rupees X and selling price is 16. Okay, so cost price is rupees X and selling price is rupees 16. If his loss was X%, find the cost price of the article. Now he has made a loss and loss was X%. Percent बोला है, so loss percentage is given to you. Try to make out from the question, loss was X%, so it means loss percentage is X%. Okay, now this means he has made a loss. ठीक है, लॉस हुआ है. कॉस्ट प्राइस ज़्यादा है, सेलिंग प्राइस कम है. नाउ लॉस इज व्हाट? फॉर्मूला क्या है? इट इज़ कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस, बिकॉज कॉस्ट प्राइस इज मोर, सेलिंग प्राइस इज लेस. ओके, सो कॉस्ट प्राइस इज x selling price is 16, so loss is this much. ठीक है, this is the loss that he has made, this much rupees. We are given loss percentage, this is the main condition. So loss percent is what? Loss percentage is loss upon cost price into 100. This is the important formula. ठीक है, so loss percentage is loss on the cost price into 100. We know loss, we just found it. We know cost price, we know loss percentage also. Substitute the values. Loss percentage है x, loss है x minus 16, cost price है x, okay, into 100. Now shifting x on the other side, put brackets over here, okay. So x into x, x square is equal to x minus 16 into 100. So x square is equal to 100x minus 1600. Okay, shifting the terms on the other side, x square minus 100x plus 1600 is equal to 0. Alright, so we got a proper quadratic equation now. Let us solve this now. Now, product is plus 1600, sum is minus 100. Product positive hota hai, it means that factors of this product both have same sign. Okay, so कौन सा sign होगा? Sum will tell you. Sum is negative, मतलब both the factors have negative sign. Both the factors have negative sign. Okay, दोनों factors को add करेंगे, same sign है. Now what are the factors of 1600? 4 4s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 2 and 8. Forget the zeros. 16 का factors find out करो. 2 and 8. Now put zeros. 20 and 80 are the factors. When you add 20 and 80, you will get minus 100. When you multiply, you will get plus 1600. Okay, so splitting the middle term, x square minus 20x minus 80x plus 1600 is equal to 0. Okay, so x into x minus 20. Your 80 is common, minus 80, so signs will change. This becomes positive, this becomes negative. 80 20s is equal to 0. So x minus 20 into x minus 80 is equal to 0. So therefore x minus 20 is equal to 0 or x minus 80 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 20 or x is equal to 80. We had to find x only. X is cost price. Therefore I can say cost price is equal to rupees 20 or cost price is equal to rupees 80. Both are the possibilities. दोनों हो सकता है. It can be 20 rupees, it can be 80 rupees, because both are proper positive integers. Okay, now over here let us check if it is correct. एक बार check कर लेते हैं. Okay, always check. So over here cost price अगर 20 है, ओके, कॉस्ट प्राइस अगर 20 हो रहा है तो लॉस परसेंटेज कितना मिल रहा है हम लोग को? लेट्स सी. सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यू इन दिस. इसमें सब्सटीट्यूट करके देखते हैं. लॉस परसेंटेज कितना हो जाएगा? x इज़ 20 माइनस 16 इंटू 100 एंड x इज़ 20. ठीक है, सो 4 इंटू 100 अपॉन 20. ऑल राइट, 4 5s 5 20s 20% मिल रहा है. जितना कॉस्ट प्राइस है उतना ही लॉस है, राइट? कॉस्ट प्राइस x है तो लॉस कितना है? लॉस परसेंट कितना है? x% है. तो जितना कॉस्ट प्राइस है उतना ही लॉस है. ओके, इफ़ कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 50 तो लॉस परसेंटेज इज 50%. ओके, सो सेम थिंग वी आर गेटिंग. कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 20 तो लॉस परसेंट इज 20%. सेम थिंग इफ़ यू टेक 80. देखते हैं व्हाट आंसर वी आर गेटिंग. So it will be x minus 16, that is 80 minus 16 upon 80. Okay, so 80 minus 16, that will give me 64 into 100 upon 80. 8 tens are 8 8s are, okay, 0 0 gets cancelled, so we are getting 88 tens are. So yes, cost price is 80, so loss percentage is 80%, okay. So we were just cross checking whether our answer is correct or not. Alright, so always cross check whether your answer is correct or not. Make sure that you don't forget rupee ka symbol. Alright, box the answer, write down the final statement. The cost price of the article is rupees 20 or rupees 80. Moving on to next question, question number 9. A trader bought an article for rupees X and sold it for rupees 52, thereby making a profit of X minus 10% on his outlay. Calculate the cost price. Now it is a similar sum. The only difference is that the person is making profit. Okay. So a trader has bought an article for rupees X. Cost price is rupees X and sold it for rupees 52. So selling price is rupees 52. So let us now start solving. Cost price is X. Selling price is 52. Okay. Thereby making a profit of X minus 10% on his outlay. Outlay matlab something that you have bought for the some money. Okay. So basically cost price. Okay. So he is making this much profit on cost price. Now X minus 10%, profit of X minus 10%. So profit percent is given to you. Okay. Read the question carefully. This is not profit, this is profit percent. So profit percent is X minus 10%. Okay. Before finding profit percent, we need profit. Profit is selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 52. Cost price is X. So this much rupees is the profit. Now coming to profit percent. Profit percent is profit किसका परसेंट फाइंड कर रहे हैं प्रॉफिट का अपॉन द ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटी ओरिजिनल प्राइस इज कॉस्ट प्राइस इनटू 100 प्रॉफिट इज 52 माइनस एक्स कॉस्ट प्राइस इज एक्स इनटू 100 and profit percent is x minus 10. Okay, very easy. Now just solve this. So shifting x on the other side, x into x minus 10 is equal to 5200 minus 100x. Okay, opening the brackets. So x square minus 10x is equal to 5200 minus 100x. So we get x square minus 10x plus 100x minus 5200 is equal to 0. So x square plus 90x minus 5200 is equal to 0. Now the numbers are again big. Okay, so try to ignore zeros and find the factors. So sum is plus 90, product is minus 5200. 52 का क्या क्या फैक्टर्स होता है फर्स्टली प्रोडक्ट इज नेगेटिव इट मीन्स बोथ द फैक्टर्स हैव ऑपोजिट साइन यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द फैक्टर्स टू फाइंड दिस so one is positive other is negative sum is positive it means greater factor is positive okay sum का sign is greater factor का sign now 52 का प्रोडक्ट 52 कैसे मिलता है 13 4s are 52 ठीक है and 13 minus 4 gives you 9 so 13 4s are 0 0 है एक 0 इसको एक 0 इसको 130 minus 40 gives you 90 and 130 into 40 gives you minus 5200 okay so we got the factors so splitting the middle term x square plus 130x minus 40x minus 5200 is equal to 0 taking x common x plus 130 you're taking minus 40 common in brackets the signs will change this was negative this becomes positive 40 into 130 so this will also become positive this was negative So x plus 130 into x minus 40 is equal to 0. So x plus 130 is equal to 0 or x minus 40 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 130 or x is equal to 40. How can price be negative? So this is not possible. So x is not equal to minus 130 because cost price cannot be negative. So you can write that down. Okay, give the reason. Therefore x is equal to 40. Therefore cost price is equal to rupees 40. Write down the final statement. The cost price is rupees 40. Don't forget rupee ka symbol. Let's read the next question. Question number 10. By selling a chair for rupees 75, Mohan gained as much percent as its cost. Calculate the cost of the chair. Again a similar question. Okay, so Mohan sold a chair for rupees 75. Selling price is rupees 75. Mohan gained as much percent as its cost. Find the cost of the chair. Over here it is not given that the cost of the chair is something. Okay, normally it is given that it is x. So let us assume the cost of the chair to be x rupees. So let the cost of the chair be rupees x. Okay, so therefore cost price is rupees x. Okay, we know selling price, we know cost price. Mohan gained means profit. He is getting some money. So Mohan gained as much percent as its cost. So profit percent is same as the cost. Okay, read the question carefully. Mohan gained as much percent. Gain means profit. Gain means profit. As much percent. Percentage का बात हो रहा है. Profit percent is same as its cost. It is same as cost. Cost कितना है? X है. So X percent is the profit percent. So profit percent is X percent. Okay. So this is all the information that we have. This means he has made a profit. What is profit? It is selling price minus cost price. So profit is selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 75, cost price is X. So this much rupees is the profit. Okay, now coming to the condition part. Okay, we found the profit for profit percent. तो profit percent क्या हो जाएगा? Profit upon cost price, original quantity, ठीक है, original price into 100. Profit percent कितना है? Profit percent is X percent. Make substitutions now. Profit is 75 minus X. Make sure you don't switch the sides. Okay, correct substitution करना. Profit percentage is X. Profit is this much. Cost price is X into 100. Don't forget to put brackets. We'll shift X on the other side. X square is equal to 75 into 100. 7500 minus X into 100. 100X. Shifting the terms on the other side. X square plus 100X minus 7500 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation that we have. Okay. So product is minus 7500, sum is plus 100. Again sum and product both are having zeros, hundreds में है. Okay, now factors of 75. 75 का factors find out करो. 75 is 5 into 15, right? Now product is negative, it means both the factors have opposite sign. ठीक है. Sum is positive, it means greater factor has positive sign. This is positive, this is negative. Now 75 is 5 into 15. 0 0 add कर दो. So 150 minus 50 gives you 100 and 150 into minus 50 gives you minus 7500. Okay, so it's easy. Okay, try to find the factors of the numbers first, then put the zeros. All right, so also 25 threes are, but 250 and 30 का difference नहीं देगा 100. Okay, so that is why we did not take 25 into 3. So x square plus 150x minus 50x minus 7500 is equal to 0. So taking x common, x plus 150 बचेगा. यहाँ पे minus 50 common, so we are left with x plus, signs will change, so 50 into 150 gives 7500. X plus 150 in another bracket, x minus 50, so x plus 150 is equal to 0 or x minus 50 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 150 or x is equal to 50. Can the price be negative? No. So this is not possible because cost price cannot be negative. Okay, price cannot be negative basically. So therefore x is equal to 50. Therefore x is what? Cost. ठीक है, so cost price is rupees 50. Write down the final statement. The cost of the chair is rupees 50. Don't forget rupee का symbol. Okay.